question we are asked to write S be the set of all real roots of the equation 3 power x plus 2 is equals to mod of 3 power x minus 1 plus 3 power x minus 2. Then S is, for the solution we have 3 power x into 3 power x minus 1 plus 2 is equals to mod of 3 power x minus 1 plus mod of 3 power x minus 2. Now let we assume that 3 power x is equals to t. Now substituting the value of t in the above equation, we have t into t minus 1 plus 2 is equals to mod of t minus 1 plus mod of t minus 2, or we can say, simplifying this, we get t, opening this bracket, t minus 1, we get t square minus t plus 2 is equals to mod of t minus 1 plus mod of t minus 2. Now as we all know, t square minus t plus 2 and mod of t minus 1 plus mod of t minus 2 are both have been equated, which means first of all t square minus t plus 2, the root has to be positive, and as we see here 3 power x is always positive since it's an exponential number, therefore only positive values of t will be the solution.